Hey everyone, it's not your typical gay Elio here. I just want to show you a couple of items just a few from my master closet that my husband said he didn't realize it was missing. While he has his prostitutes, whores in my home in Red Bank, New Jersey. Please hold. So these are just a few items, just a couple of items that he said he did not realize they were stolen or gone. Or, there's a lot more that's taken, but hey, what can you do when you bring prostitute whores into a house and paying them for sex? Or, I'm sorry, paying them to do work around the house. Let me just clarify. Work around the house. Oh, no more Cartier. Say bye, Cartier. Bye, Tiffany's. Bye, Prada. Bye, D-Square. Oh, where's my Rolexes? All gone. Oh, well.